Guys, I am back with another seafood boil. So whose is this?
Mom.
Guys,
Go get your own.
please. Anyways, we have some potatoes, crab legs, jumbo shrimp, and corn, and sausage. So, yeah. Can I start?
She was just trying to save the planet. Then why did she keep sending you and all these buddies to attack the throwing the power plant to track
the scissors?
She doesn't want to hurt you. She just wants the power plant out of Zordon's control. You don't believe in her, do you, Jason?
So, I haven't really been recording all that often because, like, I've been doing more stuff. Like, I don't be doing, like, stuff I'm supposed to be. But I'm back and ready and situated. Yeah. I'm sorry, but this is good. So yeah. And the reason why my mom already started because I was supposed to start the video, but I don't think I'm going. But I was supposed to start the video, but I didn't. Because there was something that was going on. So, yeah. Ooh. If y'all don't like smacking or nothing, you gotta go to a different video. But if you do, today's your lucky day. Because that's most, well, I'm not going to only be smacking. But, and I didn't do the intro. I forgot to do the intro. But yeah. Anyways. Ooh. So I can actually like get through the whole thing. Ooh. So,
that's Rita?
and I got sauce. And that butter sauce is everything. I just want y'all to know that. Butter sauce is everything. Now the clippers. I'm not a whole bunch of big fan, but we got a trash bag over it. Mom, you're not even seeing nothing. And we just been supposed to get crabs, but when we have the time, we be busy. Especially my mom was looking at McDonald's, so yeah, And today is Sunday. Alright. Yeah. Sunday. And we're about to have a couple more days off school, so.
And thank Christ that I did, or I would have been just like you.
Comment down below if you go to school. Still.
Enough.
corn? Can I please get a little bit?
No,
This
just
house was attacked.
Can you give me some?
We barely got out with our lives.
Shoot.
Grace,
She's not gonna give me none. You give me some.
Get back, my brother!
is missing.
So, like,
Have you rise to the occasion? Take your nonsense elsewhere.
whose is that?
yours.
No. Sorry. Sorry. Maybe you're go ahead and get
You don't know what this stupid orthopedic bracelet.
I told you already. It's
And the corn just got done, so that's a good thing.
concern now, isn't it? Must be.
So,
Otherwise, who's the dead babushka? I don't know. It's driving me crazy. Bitch won't shut up.
Hey, watch your mouth. What did I say about I front?
Stay calm, Klaus. Maybe we're going Atlas the wrong way. Remember section 76 sub A on the train back?
I remember what we had for breakfast before we went
To paraphrase. Torture works best when you know who you're torturing.
Why did send Tommy and those
Heavy's
puppies
cold.
back? The puppies were supposed to bring back this. They only fought back.
Mom, can you bring this sauce right here?
Sorry.
Let's see. It's fine.
And we got the sauce right here.
Let me see that.
And I told my mom to bring it right there so I can
Asthma medication.
get it more.
Get somewhere.
Because it was all the way over there.
Hold on. We can have a conversation. We're adults.
Okay, you want more?
When I was little, I didn't have no idea how to eat these. I had no clue.
You're gonna tell them that it's special, Charlie. Eyes, guys.
Sorry.
Be strong.
Look at all of that.
I don't know where 5 is. I wasn't lying about that, but I can't tell you that hasn't been making much sense since he came back. Elaborate.
He's been acting like a lunatic. He's been sitting in this van in front of a lab or something, looking for the owner of an eyeball, one of those fake ones.
So,
No, son.
here's what the sauce on it.
Tell us more about this eye and why is it so important?
So good. Amazing. We saving some of this for tomorrow? Or eating all of it today?
Eating all as well. This is Sunday dinner.
Ooh. I don't even think this one got meat in it. Do you eat the bottom of these? No, you want mine? So, it's always lit. It's fun. When come join us, period. Where's this weird stuff? Can I eat this weird stuff?
The seasoning.
That's all I need to know. You sitting in their plate? the funny thing
What?
is that as soon as I woke up, I was like, "Is today we're supposed to have crab?" But then I was like, "Nah, it's still tomorrow." I was like, "Nah, it's tomorrow." And when I woke up and asked you, you was like, "It's today." So I was like, shocked. So I was just like froze, like, cause I didn't know. Today we was wrestling with Uncle Rick and them. He hit my pressure point. I could not move. Like, I froze for like 2 seconds. Like, and I could move. That pressure point. You can't play with that pressure point. When I eat like real crabs, it like burns my fingers because I got like cuts on my fingers. It be like peeling like on the little rim and stuff like that. So like it burns. That's why I only like eating crab legs. But I do eat crabs in general. But I mostly like eating crab legs. And I don't like when they season it. Too much seasoning and it be spicy at the same time. Who is
Last night when I said, don't worry.
That's a lot.
Oh, I have your keys. Why do you have my keys? It's a long story. Do you need a drink? Sure.
You were my final obstacle. Now, I destroyed the planet. Not so
I hate
much.
sprinkles. Maybe I just hate donuts. Why are we here again? Refill?
Yes, please.
This is lit. He's ooh. It's a crispy one.
All this sully
Oh,
gone, man.
You ain't even eating no shrimp.
is this yours? That's how
That's
it.
yours. Oh, you did?
How much is this?
Contract.
Okay. I ate another one, but I did eat some shrimp. I promise you I did. That was the first thing I touched. So, here's shrimp, if y'all didn't see. Like, these are big, like, I think that's why they call it jumbo shrimp. But it's like jumbo. It might look small in the video or in the camera. Because it's in the camera, but in real life it's big. Where the what? They're right here. You really did good on this. Thank you. You know what I didn't eat? Mashed potatoes. I'm about to get to that right now. That's strong. So,
I didn't know if you wanted to taste the sausage or not.
ooh.
Hot.
And my mom's watching the show, so if you hear some noises, I'm pretty sure that's her show.
You know what the worst part of being dead is? You're stuck.
Gunshots, anything like that.
That's
That's her
the real
show.
torture if you gotta know. watching your brother take
And y'all don't judge me. I do not like this game. It's just dry. And I don't like it. It's like a weird texture. The big bite of that.
That's the understatement of the year. Well, the fire inspector says that the speed of the blaze indicates that the accelerator is open and we felt this. Get that over to the lab immediately.
I feel like there's a fly on my leg, but it's the wind blowing the trash can. Woo! That's right. 'Cause I don't know. Ooh. That was a strong one.
Split up. Wow. Good thinking.
That's great. Don't get my head anymore.
Anything?
Can I see the scissors?
You want to know why I left?
These scissors are getting dirty, but
Why I left the academy?
You gonna wash them?
we can clean it. That's what I was just about to say. We can clean it.
Number one. Because that's what you do when you're 17.
Ugh.
You're
Ugh.
a real grown.
Thanks.
At least I make better decisions. Yeah. Pay bills. You had rid of the girl.
I've seen that play before. Yeah, it's the one that is over in Rio.
You know what you're talking about.
It's got some nice moves.
You want to blame me, blame us.
This buddy
We're leaving.
required the power cord
It's okay.
until it finds its
Maybe you're asking yourself the wrong
Mm.
question.
Yeah.
Maybe it's not
What
about why
about
we left.
you? You said you would get Rita when she was.
I wish I could smell and eat this.
I stayed because the world needed me. You stayed because you couldn't let go of the way things used to be. You had me, your dad, Allison. Dad's dead. Mom took me.
Stuff.
We're orphans again, dude.
Now that I think about it, I should put on some gloves.
Wow.
Because I don't like getting my hands messy that much.
Do you ever stop talking?
And no, that's serious. With food at least. But anything like, or pumpkin. Because today I carved a pumpkin. I didn't make a video of it because, I mean,
Rock is a skunk.
what's the point if I'm already doing a video of a seafood boy? Ooh. Woo! So yeah. Other than that, I really like getting my hands messy.
Maybe steal something? Jerk off on your Mr. Snuggles teddy bear?
You can't destroy our plans just to save yours.
Sometimes men are deal missions. Maybe, but I like this one.
That sounds like Mimi laugh.
I know it's weird because you'll never use
Woo!
I'm full.
What? Well, trust me, I'll eat the rest.
And it's already gone. You don't need to do it.
Sounds like a kid.
Oh.
Well, probably won't not every single bite. Because I did eat cereal before this.
But I can't let that happen.
And that actually wasn't like too long ago, so.
He's not speaking to me either.
Like, remember that is a reason. So, ooh. What is you watching, Mom? What's this?
Umbrella Academy.
Oh. Y'all should go watch Umbrella Academy. If y'all watched it, that's great. But for other people that didn't, go watch it. Obviously, it's a great movie. Is it episodes? Yeah. When did you start watching it?
I created.
Cause I never caught you watching this.
That's no way to say hello to your old friends, is it?
Colin, I already gave you what you
I've literally ripped one claw off.
Please let me go. Please. Technically, you want your brother. Is your brother here now? More specific on that. I just told you already. He's not coming. No one will. Well, number 5 knows now. We left him a message.
A little bit.
We'll be ready.
And like, this is crazy. Come on. Wait. Trust me, y'all. After this, I'm probably going to sleep.
I'm Kylie Peterson, and right now, I'm face to face.
What is that, Gene?
Dancing with the Mojave Rattlesnake. This is one dangerous dance, my friends.
Have you overcome your fear of the dead?
June, what he called? I know, but what is his YouTube called?
The heart of rattlesnake territory is truly Arizona.
Go watch Ray Wilderness. He go through bugs, snakes, everything. Bite them everywhere. Fishes. It's crazy.
Unbelievable amount of
Snails.
holy
Worms.
Don't get any closer.
It's crazy. I don't know how brave he is.
They can inflict
He did it with
potentially.
2 little girls. One like 7, one like 4.
Check this out. This environment is absolutely
But it wasn't like a deadly like animal like how he be doing. It was like one of them.
now that is a
Yeah.
sign that you're gonna find snakes where there are rats.
I have reason to believe too.
Where the scissors?
I got it.
Just two.
Where the scissors?
This is a pay-by-the-hour kind of place.
Look at that
Thank
cute
you.
bushy tail. How adorable is that?
Did you get complete
And those
privacy
big
for
hind
you?
feet. And that's how they move so quickly through the desert. Look, he's holding on to his toe right now. He's so scared. This is proof that not everything out here in the desert is
Ooh.
scales and
If
stairs.
I ain't read the
You better be
Constitution.
careful out there, buddy. If I can catch you, you better believe that a rattlesnake can. Alright, let him go. You ready? Hang around in the vicinity of kangaroo rats long enough, and you are almost certain to come across a rattlesnake. That's what's right here. Stay. What's the diamondback? Not swell? Wait a minute. That is not a Western diamondback. That is a Mojave rattlesnake. This situation just went from dangerous to extremely dangerous. Okay.
A big piece.
Tuck back in here.
Well,
Very careful. On this side.
big pieces come out.
That is the most venomous rattlesnake in the world.
They just like come out crumble, coming out crumble.
Try to work him up into this clearing. Go ahead and come in. Now we rattle.
So that's what my mom got. She's definitely in the sauce. How do you make the sauce? What do they got in it?
We're not talking about
The place is closer. No one.
It got the hot sauce in it. But like,
Hot sauce and butter, that's it.
You got what they shot on it? These snakes can strike. You got to far.
But this is not our fancy sauce. Cause like, who wants fancy sauce on just like a video that's not even like not that good. Like, anyways, I want that French vanilla taste. Like, there you go. Like that French vanilla taste blowing me away. I will die for that to you. That's Stop it! Are you the type of person that cry over your food? I am. If we playing, that's a whole different story. And I know you play, that's a whole different story. But pranking me and saying that my order didn't come in or you didn't stop by and you forgot my food, trust me, I'm gonna get mad. Trust me. Like, this one I'm trying to open. If you can't see, but for all y'all followers, thank you. Thank you. Y'all heard nothing. Cut. Second off. And this video is so bad because there's no edited cuts out. There is no editing like I usually do. I can only put the title and something else. I forget.
Either way, you get bitten by the snake.
I feel full.
Off the charts.
I don't think I ate no more.
The hospital immediately. Their venom has almost 10 times the toxicity of the Western Diamondback rattlesnake. And you guys have seen me capture the Eastern Diamondback, the Western Diamondback, salamanders, and a lot of times I do head snakes and show you the things. This snake, I just feel, is far too dangerous to do that with. All rattlesnake species are potentially deadly, but because this is the most toxic rattlesnake in the world, I'm even more nervous. The fact that I can't tell whether or not it has type A or type B venom really makes me want to just keep my distance from the snake. I don't want to try to handle it. It commands the snake.
That's the end of this video. Hope, like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on that notification so you never miss one of my videos, and we will see you on the next video. Bye!